Can you imagine bathing in pea water? No, that's just nasty. I saw Fred Meyer eating a can of baby food. I think it was mashed peas. In fact, every time she goes to the grocery store, she is buying like 8 cans of baby food. Maya's pregnant. I saw her riding a tandem bike with Kitty Pierce. I saw her at the box office buying Bruce Springsteen reunion tickets. I still think it's weird she likes to sit in hammocks nude. I guess she likes the breeze. Maya's obsessed with unibrows. I think she has a brown belt in karate. I know that she buys lingerie from yard sales. Maya's life goal is to sing a duet with Garth Brooks on stage. She's always chewing the same gum. She eats fiberglass. I think her car is in the shop.
Teach! Teacher!
And 24-inch rims. Maya's a cook and an MC and a DJ. She eats food from under the couch cushions. She's got a nasty attraction to older men and bald people. She drinks toilet water in her sleep. Brian saw her try to draw with a spoon. She farts in buckets and puts the lid on it for later. I had a really bad day. Kevin Kunkel wouldn't even look at me. He usually at least glances or smiles. A direct quote from Maya's diary. Brian told me she tried to surf in a lake once. I saw Maya try to solve Sudoku with letters. Maya's favorite pastime is grilling grade A steaks on the BBQ. She got a freezable. I told Maya about the show Home Makeover, and she told me it was about makeup. Maya is afraid of pollywogs. Maya once pooped in the Camp Harlow swimming pool. Everyone hated her. I prayed for her. Maya thinks a fire crotch is someone with a rash on their genitals. Maya thinks that anyone who has hair has an afro. Maya thinks that getting stoned is a painful punishment. Maya secretly wishes her feet were a size 10.5. Maya thinks Sunless Tanner is the moon. Rumor has it she was seen in Central Park doing goatsy.
Ew!
Maya believes that someone who is able to speak to dogs is called a horse whisperer. She likes to fart in the bathtub just to see the bubbles rise. The baby that is inside